But I just wanted to remind myself and you how important Iman is. A lot of us think we have Iman. We're Muslims. We went to mosque in Ramadan. We went for Eid. You know, it is a great joke. Huh? I had people call and say, Sheikh, what's going on? Are we praying Eid? And these are people who never prayed Jummah. You don't think that's a joke? That's a big joke. Astaghfirullah. That's a joke. That's what you call a joke. Sometimes I wonder, is it Iman? Is it stupidity? Is it lack of knowledge? What's going on? Jummah is farz. Yeah? Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Al-Jummah, a chapter on Jummah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله. And when the call is proclaimed for Jummah, hasten to the remembrance of Allah. Knowing the Quran, Allah commands Eid. Yeah, I smile. People didn't pray Jummah for the whole Ramadan, but they don't want to miss Eid. It tells you where our minds are, where our knowledge is, where our understanding is, and what is our Iman all about. Allah commands Jummah in the Quran. Yeah, we don't pray Jummah, but we are asking, we don't want to miss Eid. Interesting, huh? Interesting. That was a joke. That was a J-O-K-E. Very hilarious. Very sad though, that what Allah has commanded we don't understand. But because it's a big cultural thing to go for Eid, rain or sunshine, we must not miss Eid. I'm not saying don't pray Eid. Alhamdulillah, we gave a whole khutbah, mashallah, on Eid day, on the fadail and the virtues of Eid. Wajib, yeah, very powerful. I don't want to get back into that. You can go on YouTube, Facebook, Al-Hikmat TV to hear it. So I'm not downplaying Eid. I'm saying comparing to Farz, we put the Eid above the Jummah. See? Not even our Iman is straight. Our concept as a Muslim is straight.